Secure strap options for the rear Game Changer SEADOO mount for your 2018 and newer SEADOO. Mount is already extremely strong as is, but if you want that extra protection, and this will work on either the 360 version or the dual version with the flag as well. It's the same strap. This is how you install this. It comes like this. It's got the mount straps with the buckle. You simply strap this, place this on like this, take your enclosed 2 thumb screws, secure this down, and don't screw these all the way in until you have your pole in there. By the way, your top is on there now. So to secure this to the seat, you're just going to come up here with your strap. You're going to go around the seat, come through the buckle, and then back down. You don't have to really crank this down. You just need support. That's all it's there for. Same on this side. Just make sure they're taut. They don't have to be cranked down. So they just need, that's just for support so it doesn't go anywhere. Then you can put your stick in here, screw that in, and then you lock these against your pole. And you're good, guys. That's not going anywhere. This is also available in a smaller version for those that plan on running the smaller stick. Exact same installation. You put your set screws in there, and now your smaller diameter stick is in there. So once you put your screws in there and your straps, it's the same as this. So keep that in mind when ordering. Order the appropriate one depending on what stick you're using. I recommend this one.